We'll guide you through how to create Instagram Reels with photos and videos from your camera roll or gallery. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you've gone and got some content already on your phone which you want to go and use. You don't want to record anymore. Let's get started. Come to the bottom of Instagram and click on the plus like so. Then come down to the bottom again and you need to go and select Reel. In this case, I'll start a new video here. You'll then go and see your camera roll and gallery here. And what you can do is start selecting what you want to make the reel with. Go to the top right and you can go and select them, and you can go and scroll through and find them. You can see what you've selected at the bottom there, and what you can do is go and adjust the order of them here as well, but you can do that in a moment as well. Then you click next in the bottom right. You can then go and use audio here and go and sync it. In this case, I'm going to press skip though, and then we're now on the edit page. You want to click on edit video at the bottom as we can then go and see the timeline, and you can go and see our photos and videos here. So what you can do is go and click on them and you can adjust the length by holding the start and end point like so. And to go and reorder, go and click on it, and then you can scroll along at the bottom and click on reorder. You can come to the bottom, add text, stickers, audio, add more clips, and there are other useful settings as well there you can adjust. And when you're finished, you can click on the arrow in the top right and you can then go and post it as a new reel, go and add a caption and go through the other post settings here as well. When you're ready, you can click on share in the bottom right and it'll begin uploading.